Hey guys, welcome back to Coin Knowledge. So today I'm going to be talking about a project that is a new AI project in the crypto space. Obviously, we see that AI as a narrative has been very hot recently. We've covered other AI projects that have gone on to do, some pretty decent numbers here. Now, the one that we're talking about today is VentureMind AI, which is actually having its IDO today, December 4th, at the time of you guys watching this. Now, this is being shot a day before. So again, as this thing does launch in TGE, earlier this month in December 24, we're going to be covering it because I do think that VentureMind AI definitely does have the potential to, go on kind of a run here. We'll compare it to another AI coin that was recently launched by Cetify to see what potentially this could do. And as always, if you guys get value out of the video, if you guys could consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video, your support means everything. So if we take a look here at Venture AI, what is it? What do they do? Now, if you look at their, Cetify page, again, they do have, their raise here going on right now. They do say that VentureMind AI is an advanced Solana-based platform offering over 150 AI tools and a robotics platform as well for industries such as construction, education, entertainment. So, yes, it is a Solana project, an AI project incubated by Cetify, but powered by Solana. Now, that's two hot narratives. I think, AI, again, has proven time and time again for the last several years that it is continuing to be a hot narrative for this cycle. And Solana, with the performance of Solana's, main coin, Solana, we see that Solana is a hot ecosystem. We're seeing projects really have different narratives, and Solana itself performing quite nicely here recently. So I think Solana will continue to be a hot blockchain to build on, and projects building on there, quality ones, can see price appreciation as the ecosystem just keeps heating up. Now, if you take a look at, VentureMind's AI website, they do have it here again, unleashing the power of AI for everyone. They do have an app, free app that you actually can go ahead and try here. Now, if we go to their product, again, this is kind of what it looks like. I mean, that's like they say they have like over 150 AI tools. Now, I don't know how many are going to be live when, the full product does launch and when it TGEs. But this is just a quick demonstration of what you can use. So like this is one of their AI tools, is like a YouTube video script generator. And again, when we go to their About Us, they do focus primarily on AI. Again, the platform is pretty broad with all the tools that they do offer. You can see their partners here. They have a few partners, nothing crazy, but Theta is a pretty big one, in my opinion. Their community, all the different links. Now, they do have a docs team, so that is always something worth mentioning, especially in the AI space, because, again, when we look across different narratives, some narratives, a docs team, in my opinion, is a must, and some narratives maybe aren't. AI is one of those where, as most narratives, obviously, there's a lot of scams out there. Not saying that a docs team is completely avoiding it potentially being a scam, and not saying that this project is or has the potential to be, but it is always a peace of mind whenever a team is docs, for a project you're looking at potentially investing. And as always, nothing I say in this video is financial advice. I'm just giving you guys my opinion on a project that I have on my watch list, one that I'm looking out for right now. But again, when we take a look at VentureMind, their team is here. They have their LinkedIns, they're doxed, so that is something you do want to take a look at. And when we look at Cetify, again, launching them, we can see that there are different allocations here, the price here, the total raise, and the launch period. They say the vesting period is 50% at TGE. Now, I don't know if that's 50% of VentureMind's, VNTR token or just the allocation round for Cetify. And then the other 50% will be 2-month cliff, and then the remaining will be released. Again, it's on Solana, but when we take a look at it, VentureMind AI is going to be launching at a sub 1 million FDV, I believe. So, again, even if there is some dilution, I don't think it's going to be a whole lot. And at a sub $1 million FDV, that is extremely bullish in my opinion, because we've seen Cetify launch projects recently here with their whole AI Jam initiative, launching projects at a sub 1 million FDV, and they've all, gone on to perform quite nice. So I do think that VentureMind AI does have the potential. Also being launched by Cetify, I think that, Cetify is not going to let this project not perform well, because it is a reputable, pretty successful launch pad. And again, the project that we'll look at later on in this video here next will be a comparison of what this project could potentially do. Again, they do have some of their token sale information here. So they have 500 million VNTR tokens, the VentureMind tokens as a total supply, all the different category here as well. And then the private sale, public sale. You can go through the white paper on the website if you want, but you can also pause the video here if you want to see any of it. I don't want to just read it off. You guys can go on there and find it. But if we actually take a look at another project I do want to compare this to, we can take a look at Agents AI. This is one that we called on the channel, on the video here recently, and actually did put out a buy alert here in the Patreon. So if you got in on that, again, we were up at a peak of like almost like I want to say like almost like a 3 to 5x at one point. So we got it in, I think it was like a $1.8 million market cap. So, but either way, we did quite well there, and which is another reason why I'm looking at VentureMind AI, because Agents AI was also launched by Cetify, and they launched as well at its sub or right at 1 million FDV, and then they went sideways for a little bit. They did dip as well, and then we saw after like a week of consolidation, kind of just price or sideways price action, not even a week, we saw it quickly run up to almost like a $10 million market cap, almost like right there at like a $10 million market cap. And this thing's fully diluted, obviously, but still, it's a Solana, AI agents platform, and they don't have a working product. Whereas VentureMind AI, I believe, is going to launch with, some working product. They already have a demo kind of app that you can try for free right now. So it has that advantage. They have a docs team, whereas Agents AI, I believe, does not. Again, there is a lot of pros for VentureMind AI, also launching at a sub $1 million FDV. On Solana, we can see how Agents AI has performed since it's launched. It's performed quite well. So I do think that VentureMind AI has the potential to maybe pull that kind of similar run. Again, being launched by Cetify, being a sub $1 million market cap, and also having a little bit more product as far as like what they're going to be launching with as well. Again, they have their app here that you can try. You can get in there and try it out if you want to sign up for it. I'm not going to do it right now in front of you guys, but if you guys want to sign up, you can actually use their app and kind of just see what it all has to offer. But either way, this thing is doing its IDO again today at the time of recording, December 4th. So either way, guys, let me know in the comments below if you were able to get into the pre-sale here, if it's one that you have on your radar, if it's on your watch list, or if this is the first time you're hearing about VentureMind AI. But it's definitely one that I have on my watch list that I'm looking out for. When this thing TGEs, I'm going to be taking a look at it. And I don't usually say this, but it is still a new token launch, so be cautious. It's super risky, obviously, but being launched by Cetify, I do think it does offer some level of credibility. But again, Cetify is killing it with these recent launches under 1 million FDV. So if you buy at launch or when it's still relatively early on, I still think there's a lot of upside. Obviously, we're gonna see how it goes by launching. What happens after TGE. Some of the early investors obviously are gonna get their allocation at TGE, so there could be an initial dumping. But at the same time, I think at a sub $1 million FTV, I think a lot of people are anticipating it to do multiples, moving forward in very quick fashion, because we see that AI and AI agents is a hot narrative right now. Solana is still a hot ecosystem right now. So to me, this project literally has everything going for it. So again, I'm very bullish on what VentureMind AI potentially has to offer in the way of returns here, in the near future. Again, guys, let me know in the comments below if what do you think about VentureMind AI? If this is one you want me to keep you guys updated on, or if there's other projects in the AI space that maybe we should be talking about on the channel, maybe that's kind of going, under my radar. Let me know. And as always, guys, if you guys want to know what I'm doing out here in the markets, I do have the Patreon link below. It's a great way of supporting the channel. Also, you can find out what I'm doing, like here, and I don't usually, announce what I'm buying or selling unless you're in there, but again, just as like a preview, we did call Agents AI at a $1.8 million market cap. And again, it went all the way up to almost like a $10 million market cap. So right there was a pretty, quick and easy 5x right there, literally in a couple days. We've talked about other projects as well in there that are doing quite well recently. So either way, Patreon's a great way to, great optional way of supporting the channel and finding out what I'm doing. Or there is a Discord link below where you can get in there. You can see all the different channels, different projects, narratives we're talking about. And if you guys got value out of today's video, if you guys could consider liking the video, subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and sharing the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, see you guys.